Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A51 and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera watermark at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings. Now we have to slide a little bit down to the useful features category, and here at the last position we can find the watermark option. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and off as we need. To manage the watermark we have to tap to the center to get access to more options. Here we can also turn it on and off as we need, and when we have it turned on we can see the short preview how the Samsung watermark looks like. So we have Samsung quad camera shot with my Galaxy A51, and to customize it we can change the second light as you can see. So let me write here, for example, shot by HardReset. And done. To save it, as you can see in the preview, the second line has changed also. So let me keep it turned on. Let's move back to the camera to take a picture to see this watermark at the real one. Now let's move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is my photo with watermark in the left corner at the bottom. We can get closer to it. And of course, when we don't need it or when we need another line, we have to move back to the camera, then to the left corner settings, slide down here to the useful features again, and use this button to turn it off, or just tap on the center and manage these settings as we need. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.